Good evening, Ghana for within the evangelist Candy Gloria. Christ has seen you in Cambodia. I've promised myself not to ever involve myself in such things, but I think sometimes you need to break some protocols. Miss Ramo, with all due respect, Miss Ghana for Bino, any approach for Bino, me pamacho. Messages of it in Mo Sunday ba me phone so no mesramo munim Tracy Boache ni social media handles mesramo mimpe problem bia mimpe mintimi mesramo pa the messages keeps coming up obi to me catch them and say I have allowed what Tracy Yakwala Tracy oye underage. Miss Ramo, me poma chow. Pressure damn so I made a massacre with no. Yam no hatasuru way in him. Mumma mean come on to bed. Dina mean to me here. Na mean concentrate here, Miss Ramo. More bianco can be beyond me coming. Me poma chopper moonlight messages now more sentimental. There's no need for me to post this. It's in rain. I have ignored so many messages, but it seems bad never. With all due respect, me poma chop means that means yem. Please, peace now me enjoy no mama me enjoy me peace. Miss Remo, me poma chopper Miss Remo. Some more message bia. Mo hwehwe ne handle e wo social media. Na mo fan tag no. Me ni trace ni issue o ye me nwa wa ye me sister. Ye di nkomo say ehia se ye kasa bet me macho obi private life meet me interfere me come nya me sem Bible say ni o wa so no ontie ne honhom ka kira safoma meet me nkofo so obi so me fa Kristo e na me hu se trace no so ofon bosom me macho e ma mo nko pasa mo mreme kani me je me ho me sremo pa mi frantumago menim ni mechi ni bi me sremo yo
wow we madam foa ana woni mekeke a obi be fro say fre Tracy Boache ne nkasa ka che nipa cross say opana show onim me number onim how be get to me a osire no enye wo na wo me be wiase enye wo na wo to aduane ma me die enti wontimi ma me kama sem me pa show I am big enough. And you feel so winning me, oh, so me know what dear grop pen yo, me no one anti pen yo, dear you, no be frawo. E catch your said to me for Madam Bra, opa catini pa croco. Caten no, catch it because say, and you won't to do any mammy d. And I catch it because say, Tracy now winning no, a very hard party, where personal, it can't bring me down. I say, yamode, and I didn't, me patrol be frawa, and so. MPK enyame mama no na enyame papa no. You cannot tell me what to do. I have apologized and I am
A few moments later.
I just saw a post from Tracy Boache sending a strong warning to me that I shouldn't call her to advise her because I don't feed her. Yeah? Before Saminu Mienu Yako endorse NDC 2016 no. Na minimo. Wonso so unime. Before Saminu Mienu Yako ye campaign ama NDC no. I knew you. You also knew me very well. I have swallowed so many things from you. 4 good years. Me dani Jimmy for Emma wo emfie nan na me mpese mekasa senya madani Jimmy for emfie nan no ma me na ne sa Jimmy for ne sa amfa kwa wieye me mfa me phone mfre wo da se me advice wo me mfa me phone so nya sa de ni bi da me srewo na me phone na me de be ya sa call ne kra no na me de me phone we frɛ wo a wo phone ne kra no virus kra nsi so Na woni mfo na me use mame me dia me fare wo ya me pa chew eni ntina nkrofo mo frefre me keka nsam no me ye video beto abonte se me sra wo mo omo ni mo social media handle se bibi wo ho a they should send it to you because me pesa china bi nya me kan ye dia ahoma be hye me kon se maka mame untimi ntimi warning Tracy, I'm telling you, menyi cheo. Usika no uyi awaye nyina no fato nche me, menyi cheo. Lesson abrabo teach me. Eni ya me ma famu wa abrabo mu no. You have no idea. Beni nyina mu no me ma brabo ansai. Mesrawo. Table na wo shake no. Ne nine baako abu. So ni ma me chiwa dwunesi so table na wo pese wo shake no. Table no ne nine baako already abu. Yeah, don't push me. Tracy, don't push me. When was the last time I met me found me phone efreo? When was the last time I met me found me phone freo? Mame, me srao. Me dinya me di power chew. Senya mamwa me hoche me bomu no. Ya, mami she me bomu sa. Me pacho. Me yadie bi ma obi mbeka se enye gay we no se wafa nyame no. Nye gay we no se wasesa no. I have swallowed disgrace. I have swallowed so many things from you. 4 bad years in I have decided not to open my mouth and say anything. Menya Jimmy Fo. Tracy, you know me very well. Ena enya won kwa na wani eden uni me misumi ni mo misrawo me mfre wo da se me advice na uni ma me me mabobra metimi atufo Tracy Boache please nya wo pesa woni me ye no misrawo you can't warn me nya wo bakwaku you can't warn me nya wo maid senya wo ka se me feed you no wo so wo feed me so please sheye na wan cross boundaries sheye na ya wan cross boundaries
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much gh on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asonden ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much gh be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura